Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Bernadetha Natasya Pramita. You can call me Natasya. Today I want to tell you an interesting story. Before that, I will explain why I choose this characteristic. The reason is this characteristic can describe field struggles experienced from the patient who fight an illness. I hope we can learn how to deal and respond an illness. I take this story from one of my family with a few adjustments. So let's get started. Is strong mother fighting the kidney cancer. 2 years ago, precisely in 2018 in Tangerang, there lived a mother who had 5 children. One of this mother's children has died. The other 4 children live independently and already married. They lived normally and happily until one day the mother felt terrible pain in her waist. She thought maybe she just tired and not drinking enough. She immediately rested and drank a lot of water. But it didn't work. Then, when she peed in the toilet, she was shocked because the urine was red and seemed mixed with blood. The mother decided to call one of her sons who lives not far from her home. When his son came to her house, she talked about what she felt and experienced. She was worried and afraid about her condition. Without thinking, the son immediately accompanied his mother to the hospital. At the hospital, the doctor asked the mother what she complained about. She answered that she felt pain in her waist and her urine was red and seemed mixed with blood. Then she was examined by the doctor. The doctor asked she to do urine tests and to the hospital the next day. The next day, the mother and the son back to the hospital to know the doctor's explanation about the disease. The doctor explained that she had an infection in the kidneys. Of course, she was very sad and worried about her illness. The doctor advised the mother to keep calm, get rest, drink lots of water, and take drugs as recommended, so that she get well quickly. Then, the mother back to home with her son. The mother carried out advice from the doctor and take medicine as recommended. She also didn't do much activity and pray for her recovery. She was very optimistic that her condition will get better soon, especially since she was given support from her children. After a few days later, she felt her condition was better. She decided to go to Surabaya by plane to visit one of his daughters. She missed her daughters and also to relieve boredom while in her own home. After arriving at her daughter's home in Surabaya, she felt very happy and continued to carry out advice from the doctor. But apparently, she still experienced the same thing. Her body had become weak. Her urine was red and sometimes her waist was still painful. She was really worried about her illness, as well as her daughters. So the mother decided to go back to Tangerang and check herself for further treatment. When she back to Tangerang, she immediately went to the hospital accompanied by her son who always took her for the treatment. Then the doctor said that the mother should immediately do a CT scan and several examinations. The mother completed and did all the examination because she wanted to recover from her illness. After all the examinations were completed and there was a result, the mother and her son met with the doctor. With the regret, doctor explained that the mother had stage 2 kidney cancer. She was asked to do chemotherapy for her recovery. Of course, she was very shocked and sad to hear that. She was afraid of her illness, especially she was not young anymore. The doctor tried to support the mother because many cancer patients recover by chemotherapy. Then the mother and his son back to home. She also told what happened to all her children. Her children support to the mother and hope their mother could recover quickly. In preparation for chemotherapy, the mother was advised by one of her children to take herbal medicine from noni fruit. This drug is expected to reduce the effects of chemotherapy that will be experienced by the mother, such as pain, hair loss, and nausea. She tried to be strong in her treatment. All her children were present at the hospital to accompany her chemotherapy. She was very confident and believed that she would get well soon, and she always prayed to God. She continued the chemotherapy according to the doctor's schedule. Until one day, the doctor decided that she could stop doing chemotherapy after the sixth chemotherapy. The doctor explained that she had recovered from her kidney cancer. However, she still has to check herself, so doctors can control her condition. The mother felt very happy and grateful to God. Her children are also very happy that her mother can successfully recover from her illness. She also grateful because the herbal medicines from her children reduced the effect caused by chemotherapy. Finally, she tried to live healthy and keep eating patterns for a better life. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.